If you've ever Googled how to buy a home, you've probably found about 1,000 different answers. Everyone has their version of the process. Agents, lenders, family members, and they all sound a little different. So today I'm going to break it down clearly and simply. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how the home buying process actually works, what steps matter most, and how to move through them with confidence. I'm Weldon Hobbs with Team Hobbs Realty, based in Colorado Springs, but I help buyers buy locally and across the country and help them make smarter real estate decisions. Now, if you find this kind of breakdown helpful, hit that like and subscribe button so that way you can stay up to date on the latest real estate insights, housing trends, and what's going on not only here in Colorado Springs, but beyond in the country. So let's get to it step by step. Step one. You need to understand your why and your financial readiness. Most people start with Zillow, but the first step isn't about listings. It's about asking clarity. Ask yourself, why do you want to buy a home? What's the goal? Are you tired of renting, looking to start building equity, or maybe planning for stability for your family? Once you know your why, then it's time to understand and assess your financial readiness. That means looking at your income, your debts, your credit, but also understanding how much comfortably fits into your lifestyle. Here in Colorado Springs, I've seen qualified buyers for $700,000 homes who are much happier at the $550,000 price point. Why? Because it gives them breathing room. The goal isn't to max out your pre-approval, it's to buy within your life's bandwidth, right? Just because you can do it doesn't mean you should. Now, step two, getting pre-approved before you fall in love with a house. This is where a lot of first-time buyers trip up. Pre-approval isn't just a bank form. It's your permission slip to play the game seriously. Now, a lender reviews your financials, pulls your credit, and gives you a number that helps define your search range. But here's the key. That pre-approval, that also tells sellers that you're serious. In competitive markets like ours, that letter can make or break your offer. Work with a lender who explains your options. Conventional, VA, FHA, USDA loans, and who's willing to run side-by-side comparisons for you. A good agent and a lender team, that can even help you structure your offer so you keep cash for other things like repairs or closing costs. Now, step three, your home search strategically, not reactively. This is the fun part, but also where emotions, they can hijack some of that logic. Don't chase what's pretty. Think location, lifestyle, and that long-term value. In Colorado Springs, for example, there are neighborhoods that are known for top-tier schools, and then the farm, that offers newer construction with quick access to I-25, while Rockrimmon, that gives you mature trees and character homes close to trails. Now, what matters most, though, is finding a balance between what you want and what you need. The perfect home rarely exists, but the right one for your goals, that absolutely does. Step four, make your offer. It's not just about the price though. This is where your agent earns their stripes. A strong offer isn't necessarily the highest offer, it's just the smartest one for you. Now, we look at more than price. We're going to look at timelines, contingencies, seller motivation. In some cases, a personal letter or flexible closing date that can make your offer stand out. For example, I've helped buyers in Northgate win offers by adjusting inspection timelines or just asking for seller credits instead of price drops. The key is strategy. Every deal has leverage points, and a good agent, they help you find those. Then step five, once under contract, this is where the real work starts. Most buyers think getting under contract means the hard part's over, but it's actually where you start protecting your investment. You'll go through the general inspection, the sewer inspection, radon, HVAC, depending on the home. Don't skip these. This is your chance to uncover issues before closing. And if something comes up, your agent should be able to help negotiate repairs or credits. Then appraisals come next. That's the lender's way of confirming the home's value, that it matches the purchase price. If it comes in low, there's a process called an appraisal appeal or reconsideration of value, especially with VA loans, which can be a win-win for both buyers and sellers. And then step six, closing and move in. You'll sign a stack of documents, wire your funds, and finally get those keys. But before you celebrate, make sure you review those closing statements line by line. A good agent, they're going to make sure everything's accurate so there's no surprises. Then, when you move in, change your locks, review your utility setup, store your documents safely, keep track of every improvement that you make. They can help your home's future value and your tax position later on. Now, here's the truth that very few people will tell you. The home buying process isn't really linear, though. It's a cycle. Every decision you make along the way, that affects the next one, from your offer to your financing to your long-term wealth. But what's the best part? Once you've done it once, you've built that foundation for every real estate move that you make thereafter. So if you're getting ready to buy, whether here in Colorado Springs or anywhere in the country, I'd love to help you map it out step by step for your unique situation. You can book time on my calendar using the link below or just call me directly. It's a no-pressure conversation to get the information that you need to make a confident decision. This isn't just about buying a house. It's about building a plan that works for your life. I'm Weldon Hobbs with Team Hobbs Realty in Colorado Springs, and I'm here to help you make smart, informed real estate moves that build long-term success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.